Let's solve this integral problem to find the value of a. We're given that the integral of dx over x squared plus 2x minus 8 equals 1 over a times the natural log of the absolute value of x minus 2 over x plus 4 plus c. The first step is to factor the denominator of the integrand. X squared plus 2x minus 8 factors into x minus 2, x plus 4. To solve this, we'll use partial fraction decomposition. We can write this as a over x minus 2 plus b over x plus 4. Multiply both sides by x minus 2, x plus 4 to get 1 equals a x plus 4 plus b x minus 2. Expanding the right side, 1 equals a plus b x plus 4 a minus 2b. Since this equation must be true for all x, the coefficients must match on both sides. From a plus b equals 0, we get b equals negative a. Substituting this into 4a minus 2b equals 1, we get 4a plus 2a equals 1. So 6a equals 1. Therefore, a equals 1/6 and b equals negative 1/6. Now we can write our integral as 1/6 times the integral of dx over x minus 2 minus 1/6 times the integral of dx over x plus 4. This gives us 1/6 times the natural log of the absolute value of x minus 2 over x plus 4 plus c. Comparing this with our original equation, we can see that 1 over a equals 1/6. Therefore, a equals 6. Let's review the key steps. We factor the denominator, used partial fraction decomposition, solved for a and b, integrated each term, and compared with the original equation to find that it equals 6.